One of my pet hates is when you see something for sale and it's so simple to make. So why spend the money on something when you can just make it out of, some old wood? So once again, with half an idea, I grabbed some paper, had a pencil and made some plans. It didn't really go to plan, but that didn't matter. Bits were added, bits were taken off, but by the end of the build, it was great. You've seen the Wendy House film. I bought way too much. Oh, that was tight. Bit disappointed the amount of new wood in that. So yeah, as much reclaimed, recycled, reused, whatever on this bench thingy. That's the plan. Oh, old high school. Don't know what to do next. Making it up as I go along. I remember as a kid, my mum and dad bought me this little carpentry set. It was a wooden hinged box. I remember the handles being blue, a navy kind of blue, or was it turquoise? I don't know. But they were my first tools. My dad being a carpenter, being a shop fitter, he showed me the skills that he used when he was young, and somewhere they rubbed off onto me. When I left school, I started working in a workshop, building and refurbishing lorries. I was only supposed to be there for a month as a trial, but I ended up being there 8 years. Woodwork, metalwork, welding, electrical. I haven't done that now for about 15 years. Actually, come to think of it, a bit more than that. But anyways, those skills, they're still nestled between my ears, ready to be used when I'm making things or repairing things. and how to put things right when things go wrong. Day 2, 7 PM start. Mother-in-law. Hello, mother-in-law. Great tit. Need another one. I guess I just love making stuff, putting things right, seeing if I can fix things, make things, see things for what they're not on the face of it, but a little bit of time and effort could be just something completely different. I'm just a complete fidget. If I sit still, I think of everything I could be doing. sitting here now to talk to a microphone to do a voiceover for this film. That's kind of an effort. I'm looking out the window now into the garden where you're watching, thinking, well, I could be doing something. I could be fixing that bike, repairing that barbecue, painting that bench. But, you know, that's fine. You have a hand there and a hand there. 1, 3, 2, 1. Again, look at that.
Stop with that. That was heavy with tools. Right. Ready? Yeah. Oh. Stop.
Yep. Just imagine being a tree. You spend years growing, surviving gales and droughts and everything else and fires. And then you're chopped down, sawn down, made into a square block with some other bits of fellow trees, used to transport something, and then just chucked away or burnt. But I guess not all trees and not all pallets have that fate. Work for a bit of wood. Cut on the wrong line. Bollock. Yeah, happy with the bench. No hundreds of pounds spent. Yeah. Another job jobbed.